Hi guys, Dot here. So this is another breakdown on how we achieve a scene of the NED 24th music video shoot. Take a look. This is what we'll be creating. So it is very important to know what you want to achieve. So, like in this shot, I know I wanted an explosion, so I had to shoot a clean plate. Imported that clean plate into Photoshop. I downloaded pictures of cars that were involved in accidents or that had an explosion feel to their body parts, and I composited them onto my clean plate in Photoshop. When I was done with that, I exported them back to After Effects. Now in After Effects, I had to shoot the artist on a chroma shot for safety reasons. We had the artist play out the role of a car exploding behind him. The reason why we did this was because we had no budget to shoot this particular scene in real life setting, so we had to just do this. When I was done with that, I had to start compositing my fire footages into my shot. I maxed out the bonnet to have the fire look as if it's coming beneath the bonnet. Then I added more fire stock footages to make the explosion look so real. Now, it is very important for you to understand that after an explosion takes place, the car is expected to still be burning. So for it to look very real, after all, that's what we're trying to achieve. So I created another composition, then I started adding more fire stock footages into my shot. Like you can see, I composited another fire behind the car. I composited more fire stock footage on top of the car, behind the car doors, and even inside the bonnet to have this feel that yes, like after the explosion, the car was still burning. It is very important for you to actually take note of these things. Little things make your effect work out or looks good or realistic. So after this was done, I had to make sure that my foreground element, which is the artist, and my background element, which is the car or the burning car, matches in terms of color corrections and color grading. And I was certain about that. I'm just going to run through a quick preview so you can see what we have, but because of render time, I'm just going to pause the render and come back when it's done rendering. So welcome back, and we're done with the render. So I'm just going to preview so you watch. As you can see, it looks good already. But one more thing is missing is camera shake. When there's an explosion, it is expected that the ground trembles. So if the ground is trembling, there should be a shake to it, and that's what we did here. So remember, this is a breakdown, not a tutorial. If you enjoyed this, kindly subscribe to the channel, as I will be bringing you more breakdowns and tutorials soon. Thank you for watching.